Are you looking to get monetized on YouTube and you want to know how much watch time hours you have separated from your shorts versus your long format videos? I have just the settings and analytics for you to be able to find that out for yourself. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Hey, Saarenoja here. Welcome to my channel where I help new YouTubers grow a YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video, we're just gonna jump in really quick into your analytics to help you find how many watch time hours you actually have. It seems to get a little confusing when you have shorts. If you're doing shorts and long format videos on your channel, you wanna know only how much of that view time is devoted to long format videos, because long format videos is what counts towards your 4,000 watch time hours if you're trying to get monetized, whereas shorts do not. So let's jump to my screen. I'll show you how to do it now. Once you're in YouTube, you want to go up to your profile icon up here in the top right hand corner and then go into YouTube Studio. And once you're in YouTube Studio, you want to go into Analytics on the left hand side. Then from Analytics, you're going to click on Content. You'll see Overview, Content, Audience, Revenue, Inspiration. Maybe you don't see revenue because you're not monetized yet if you're trying to get monetized, but you want to click on Content. And then once that loads, you can see that you can look at all videos, shorts, posts. I'm going to go to Videos, and then you want to go to See More. So make sure you're in Content, Videos only, because that's where you want to see the watch hours from, and then do See More. You also want to make sure that this is the last 365 days if you want to know how many hours you have racked up for the year. So to do that, you'll go up here and you'll simply go to the drop down where it says last 365 days. So if we do that, then we know we're looking at 365 days worth of content. And then you go to See More, and then you go down here, and we are in video because we're in the content type of video. So we can see at the very bottom here, it just says videos, and then it says views, impressions, click-through rate, average view duration. Yours might say something else, but you'll notice that the watch time hours is missing. So to get that, you just need to hit this plus sign, then go up here from this list and look at what you can view. And at the very top, you can see watch time hours. And if you click on that, then it's going to add that column to your information here. So I can see that the estimated watch time hours for the last 365 days is 10,598.4 for my channel. So this is where you can find out how much it is for your videos. And notice up here it says videos. If videos is not selected, if we remove that, then it's going to change the watch time hours to show you for videos and shorts. So I have 82 hours of shorts and 10,598 of videos. But if you don't have this column at all, you definitely want to click on this Add Metrics to Table. So that's how you do it. So if you are curious of what your watch time hours are because you're trying to get monetized, and you want to know just long format video watch time, then this is how you would find that information. And also one other note is that your watch time hours aren't always updated very quickly. So it might be a few days behind in your actual amount of hours that you do have. And if you are looking to get monetized, you will see this Earn tab and it will show you a review basically. I don't have it anymore because I have become monetized. But if you scroll down, it will show you how close you are to 4,000 watch time hours. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to know how to create playlists in your YouTube channel in order to keep people on your YouTube channel and binge watch your content, then definitely check out this video here for learning how to do that. Great. Thanks, you guys.